are always excited about the deals and discounts you are offering. About 40% of shoppers search on Google to find special deals. If you want to enhance Google Shopping ads, then Google Merchant Promotion is definitely the best option. With Google Merchant Promotion, you can advertise yourself with a massive audience without any extra cost. And the best part is, you will place your ad at the very top of the Google search result page. Now, if you are a WooCommerce store owner and looking to use Google Merchant Promotion, then you need to use the Google Merchant Promotion feed. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. Hey everyone, this is Talia from Product Feed Manager, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a proper Google Merchant Promotion feed and successfully run your promotions. For that, you need the plugin Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, you will see the Product Feed option on your dashboard. Now, to generate a new feed, click on the Add New Feed option. Here, firstly, you need to give a title to your feed. I'm naming it as Google Merchant Promotion Feed. Now, from the drop down, you need to select your preferred merchant. Once you select it, you will see all the required attributes will be listed. As you can see, the values aren't assigned yet. You need to assign the values to this attribute. So the first attribute you see here is the promotion ID. Each promotion of your store will have this separate ID. I'm just assigning a random value here, but you need to make sure that you are putting the right promotion ID here. Now, if you want to limit your promotion to certain products, then you need to make sure that those products have the same promotion ID in your Google Shopping feed. Here comes the product applicability. It defines if the promotion applies to all products or some specific products. I'm including the value all products here. The offer type defines whether your customers must enter a coupon code to claim back the offer. The value I will be assigning here is no code. The long title basically defines your title. I'm assigning a value Black Friday promotion offer here. You need to make sure the title you are providing completely and accurately describes your promotion. The promotion effective date specifies the date when the promotion should be live. I'm assigning a date here. The redemption channel shows the status of your promotion. It can be online or it can be in-store. I'm assigning the value online here. But if you are running promotion only for your WooCommerce store, you will assign the value in-store here. Make sure the value doesn't contain any space or symbol. For the promotion destination, I am putting the value free listings. You can provide value Google Ads, Google Shopping Ads, Google Local Inventory Ads, whatever you want. Now you can add new attribute or you can add any custom attribute using the option. Now before publishing the feed, let me show you the settings and feed filter option. If you go to the settings, you will see all the options are already configured, but you can always change them if you need to. If you go to the feed filter option, you can use this to exclude some products or include some specific products in your feed. Now let's publish the feed. For that, click on the publish button and it will start generating. The feed generation duration depends on how much products you have on your site. Once the loading is done, your feed is ready. You can now view the feed, copy the feed link or download the feed. Let's view the feed. See, your Google Merchant Promotion feed is accurately generated. Now the next step is to send this feed to the Google Merchant Center. You can do this by Content API method or you can download the feed and upload it to your Google Merchant Center account. I'm leaving links to our docs in the description box so that you can find out how easily you can do this. That's it for today. See you in the next video.